Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So starting with Ethereum on the daily chart, as we can see, of course, this was the highest high for Ethereum from our last cycle. After that, we have seen, of course, a correction here as a W, and then another correction as X, and another correction as Y. So we can look here at, of course, a WXY, almost like a running flat, because, yeah, it looks like a running flat somehow, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and yeah, 3 waves down. Therefore, of course, it cannot really be a running flat because it needs to be 5 waves actually. And here we cannot count a diagonal with this a very long wave 5. Therefore, this is a 3 waves, and this has finished as Y, of course, all as zigzags. Now, of course, after this, in case that we have really bottomed here for a wave Y, then we want to see in your bullish scenario a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, what is really here not good in Ethereum is that your 1, 2, 1, 2, the second 1, 2 is a very, very shorter than the first one, which somehow decreases the possibility of a 1, 2, 1, 2 formation. When you have a double 1, 2, you want to see at least the second 1, 2 is higher than the first one. However, it's not really invalidation of an impulse, but it is much more preferably. Now, if we look inside this impulse, we can see a finished impulse here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing, of course, this 1, 2. Now, of course, regarding the wave 2, in case we are in wave 2, we were very, very close to hit the 886. However, it was not it was not really hit, but it is very, very close. Which of course as well decreases the possibilities of a wave 2. However, in case that we are bullish, we want to see, of course, then continuation from here towards the upside, where we want to see a massive wave 3 towards the upside after a double 1, 2, because this is your wave 3, and you are now after 1, 2, 3, you are in 3 over 3. Therefore, this should be very, very fast and very high volatile wave 3 towards the upside. In case that this did not happen, therefore something else definitely is unfolding. In your bearish scenario, you have finished here or topped here with a wave B. Let's go back to the daily chart, where we have, of course, an A, B, and a C, of course. Possibly that your wave C is a diagonal, where you want to finish, of course, is this diagonal in a form of zigzag, where you see a zigzag for the wave 1, a zigzag for the wave 2, and another one, 3, 4, and a 5. So this is your bearish scenario. Of course, we are looking for more lower prices after several zigzags have been hit here. We have already double zigzag, 1, 2, and yeah, exactly here. So we are looking now for another zigzag. And of course, if we want to seek for the targets for your wave 3, we can have this, of course, regarding the wave 1 taken to the base point of the 2, and yeah, same diagonal wave 3. So your diagonal wave 3 preferably to hit even lower. Yeah, it is preferably to hit somehow like this. So it is a very strong diagonal then. Yeah, so it looks like it might be a very strong diagonal in case we want to have, yes, a wave 3 towards the downside. This is very, very possible between those fib 1123 and 990. So far, nothing, of course, it is very neutral, to be honest. So we are very neutral in Ethereum between bullish and bearish, because both scenarios are working very well so far, where we have a finished zigzag for 1, 2, and we possibly looking for another one for wave 3. However, also on your 4-hour chart, as we mentioned before, we have hit as well the wave 2, right? Fib levels. Oh, I think, okay, I think the Fibonacci were taken wrong before. Here we go. This is the correct one. Ah, okay, so actually, wow, okay, so with the correct, sorry, it was with the Fib log here. Okay. Yeah, I know it's yeah, it should be updated. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and wave 2 has hit perfectly the green box actually. Actually here we see some potential of bullish reversal, potentially, of course, but yeah, it's not really sure. To make sure of it, you need to see 5 waves towards the upside, where we can see now kind of a formation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, it's not really impulsive. But we need to see a formation and we need to see a wave 3 towards the upside. So if this ends as zigzag here and then move down, then of course we did not reach even the high, so therefore we're continuing down after a zigzag correction. If we get higher than this zigzag, than a wave C, then we are getting wave 3, then of course therefore we are bullish. So let's see what's gonna happen with Ethereum. I'm still neutral, even with seeing this signal here, but I'm still very neutral until we get a really price action as a signal, right? We need a price action. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.